Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your gallery and firstly need press and hold and select your photos. Maybe this one and this. Now when we select photos, tap more option on the bottom right corner and choose move to secure folder. Now need set up your secure folder, so press continue and need to sign in your Samsung account. I am signed in with Google. You've got another method of signing in. Click OK. Permission for secure folder, press continue. And now wait a second for creating a secure folder. Now need to set up your secure pattern or pin. So draw unlock pattern, click continue and confirm it one more time. Press continue and let's try again. Press and hold, select for example these three photos, this one, click more option and choose move to secure folder. And how you can see, this operation will be successful. So let's find our secure folder, this one. Go into this option, choose gallery, and how you can see we got our secure photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.